Good afternoon, Tom Walker with SkipperBud's at Belmar Harbor in Harrison Township. Here we have, fresh from the factory, a 2023 Four Winds 290 Horizon. Stock number is F20023. As you can see, we've got the jet black gel coat with the red boot stripe, very attractive. Built-in anchor with windlass. One thing Four Winds does a real nice job of is their swim platform. Large area for all your outside activities with an aft-facing transom seat. Backrest moves fore and aft for either using forward or backwards. This particular boat, they offer the boat with a single. This one's got the twin 6.2 300 horse Merc Cruisers. Of course, the twins give you the option of the Axios joystick. Stepping on up into the boat, we have walk-through transom on the starboard side with a gate to keep the dogs in. Boat's got a lot of options. First thing you'll notice is the arch with the wakeboard tower. Has both the LX and SLX packages, which gives you things like pop-up cleats, the weave matting. It also has the JL premium sounds upgrade. You also have the galley to the starboard side, which includes sink and fridge, also an upgrade that the boat was ordered with. It has shore power, so you have an onboard battery charger. Hot water, of course. You've got what you don't always find in a boat this size, big 29-foot bow rider. Nice big head compartment with vacuum flush head. An adult can actually use it. It'll pop up, give you a little more headroom going in. Here's your JL audio control panel. So you can see speakers throughout the boat. On the starboard side, they focused on the head. You do have a cabin compartment on starboard. We've currently got it loaded up with all the filler cushions for the bow and stern. You can see the Merc Cruiser Axios joystick. Everybody docks the boat. Comes with skyhook, digital anchoring system. Comes with the Mercury Vessel View, which is also Simrad chart plotter. All you need for electronics. Gives you all your engine readout, all your engine info in the screen. The beauty of this boat, of course, is the bow seating. Plenty of room up front. Load up a dozen people easily, and with the twin 6.2s, you get plenty of power to get it going. Bow cover, cockpit cover, full canvas is available as an option. Beautiful boat, ready for sale here at Belmar Harbor. Give a call.